Hello friends, my name is Vinod Kumar Agarwal. I am very happy to announce that we have extended our free SFM regular, free SFM revision and free financial reporting revision video lectures till 31st May 2021. I am very happy to inform you that we have got amazing response, love and praises from the student. The objective of this scheme is to help our students, the large number of students who cannot afford a very heavy fees, very high fees, and we have decided that we will try to help you as much as we can. So on the request of the students community, we have extended the scheme to 31st May 2021. The scheme is for CA final SFM regular batch, which is available in 2 languages, Hindi and full English. The duration of the lecture is 300 hours and above. It is a full syllabus. It covers everything. It covers amendments, RTP of May exams, questions from November 2020, January 2021 exam. It provides you a booklet called model test paper, which contains around 13 or 14 model test papers which you can practice once your syllabus is over. As a complementary book, we are also providing you the formula book, which is a summary of your entire SFM syllabus, and it also includes the theory notes of every topic. In SFM revision, we have tried to cover the entire syllabus in around 90 hours, and it is also going to cover all your concept, all your important examination questions, including the latest question from November exam and January exam. FR revision also covers the entire syllabus of your INDES 1 till your INDES 116, approximately 90 hours, and we have really got a very good response for these subjects. So those students who have not yet purchased FR revision, SFM revision or SFM regular subjects, we request you that you please subscribe to it. It is free of cost. We are only charging for the books. Books are mandatory because without the books you will not be able to enjoy the lectures. The lectures are connected to the books. In the books we make you write certain notes, we make you draw some diagram, we make you draw some tables. So therefore without the books the lectures are of no use. This minimum price we are charging just to recover our cost. It is on no profit, no loss basis. At least our cost will get recovered when we charge for the books. The choice is with you, because many students are requesting that they don't want to pay for the books. That is not possible. Without the books you will not be able to understand, and the whole purpose will be defeated. Plus, when you are investing some amount from your pocket, you also have a sense of ownership. You also feel that yes, I own this product, it is not free for me, and there your involvement with the subject will increase. If I give totally free, first of all it is not at all viable for us, because there are a lot of cost which goes into delivering the lectures. It's not just the recording part, there are softwares involved, there are key charges we have to pay, there are administration cost, there are 10-15 employees who are involved in making this entire delivery successful, and there are post-sales activities like helping you to install the software or any of your technical queries. So there are admin cost, printing cost, courier cost, serial charges, etc. All these costs are taken into consideration, and therefore a minimum no cost, no profit basis price has been determined. Still you have the choice. Either you pay 25,000 rupees or you just pay 2,500 rupees and get the best quality on SFM, FR and revision subjects also. So thank you very much for your continued support. This motivates us a lot, and this will encourage us to come out with more and more products or offer and help maximum number of students as possible. There is no bad intention behind these schemes. It is just to help a large number of our students. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to YouTube channel and also share this information with your friends. The last date for this SFM and FR revision and regular subjects is 31st May. The offer is extended on the request of students community. Thank you very much. Have a good day.